In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox directly in your browser without downloading anything. All you have to do is visit the website Easy. Fun. It's a completely free and safe platform that lets you play Roblox online with no installation required. Once you're on the site, use the search bar at the top and type Roblox. Select the Roblox app, then hover over Play on Browser. You'll see two options. Play without an account, which gives you 30 minutes of playtime, or create a free account, which gives you up to 6 hours of gameplay every day. I recommend creating an account for the full playtime. But if you just want to test it, select the 30-minute trial. After that, simply log into your Roblox account. And once you're signed in, you can join any Roblox game just like normal. When the game loads for the first time, it may feel a bit slow, so give it a few minutes to fully render. As you can see, you can now play Roblox smoothly without downloading anything at all. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.